Again, I'm doing the back to basics, and what I'm going to show you on these ones is I've got two super simple no-sew versions of the 3-inch tux bows, and all I'm going to teach how to do today is how to add an alligator clip, cut the clip and wrap the middle, and how to add a bubble and add your middle. So I'm going to start with the alligator clip, and all you need is your bow. And obviously this is your back and your alligator clip. I use 45mm for most of mine. You can sort of pair up your sizes with the size of your bow, but I add a touch of glue there and place that centrally onto the back like that, and then you take your corresponding 9mm, the one that perfectly matches your bow, or a similar alternative contrasting colour, whichever you prefer, and I put a tiny dot of glue just here, like so. Open up your clip, right on that centre again, hold that down for a second, and I always wrap round twice. Open your clip, round, make sure you're going back over the ribbon, you don't want it to overlap like that, you want it directly over so you can't see that ribbon behind at all. Okay, like that. Go over your clip a little bit, cut your excess off like that, heat seal your end again, and we want a touch of glue just there, like so. Open your clip and line, stick that down like so, and get rid of any of your glue stringers like this. And there you go, there is your bow with your clip. You can line your clips. I don't personally, because I am very sloppy at lining, and if you're not going to do it properly it's not worth doing because it will just make your bows look worse. So that is the most basic way to add an alligator clip to a bow, and it works on all sizes and all styles. And now we're going to add a bobble, and this is a seamless bobble. What I tend to do is the join is here, and I always glue at the join just to give it a little bit more support. So again on the centre, add the glue to the centre this time instead of to the ribbon, the clip first. Place a bobble directly where that join seam is. Heat seal your corresponding 9mm again, and I always use the excess glue around that bobble to hold that in place. Just pinch that around the bobble a second like that, and then again wrap around twice, making sure you can't see that first layer. Beneath your middle, cut off your excess, heat seal again, a little bit of glue there, like so, and there is one completely secure bobble attached to your bow. Okay, thanks for watching, bye!